Welcome back to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys doing wonderful on this beautiful day. Alright guys, so we in the garden at this moment, and what we're doing, we harvesting some red potato to make room for other crop. We're trying to see how much food we can grow within the season. So harvesting our potato now gonna give us room that we can plant something else. So we have this bank to harvest, but these look a little green. I'm gonna give them another week or so. Up there the same thing. Down there we have a few down there, and right to the end there we have a few. So we're gonna allow them to come in to get more mature in maybe like 2 more weeks time. But what we have is so far is we harvest this so far, maybe about 3 to 4 pounds of potato. Pretty nice size, and we also have some seed that we can store for the next season. So guys, do not hold on the potato them. You want to make sure that they mature, so you want to wait till you see the leaves start drying down. Some of them, once they're looking green and fresh, maybe you can just leave them a little more. Because if you leave them for a few more weeks, what's gonna happen? The potato them gonna get bigger and be more mature within that time. So I'm grateful guys, even though the garden season was so challenging, I'm still able to come into the garden and harvest a lot. I already harvest some garlic that I'm gonna be showing you in a minute. Let me show you these garlic in a minute. Lots of bush, lots of weeds, but I'm not complaining. So we harvest some garlic. We harvest some onion, and we harvest some garlic. So that's it right there guys. Onions and garlic. So yes guys, like I said, don't hold on the plants and giving them more time than they need, and then you have a short growing season. If you have plenty space, fine. But if I harvest these potato and the garlic, now I have more room. I mean, I have a lot of room, but I'm just saying, within this area, I can come with another crop here and another crop here. So we're in June. Within June, I want to make sure I already replant something here already, and something there, and something on the bank down there. Let me show you what I did with where I harvest the onions. I harvest some onions from here. And if you notice, you're going to see what I'm planting. I already start planting back squash, because squash is a short crop. So squash is pretty good to plant within that time. So you have a guarantee that you're going to be harvesting before the frost. So depending on which zone you live in, think about what you want to plant within that time, because you want to make sure that you're able to get a harvest before the frost. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.